Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've actually prepared like a very simple mountain landscape. This whole thing was actually completed in about 5 minutes. So by the time I edit out all the blank parts, it's a total of only 4-minute video. So I thought I'd try to do a full voiceover today for this piece. So the first, we begin with these 4 colors: pale orchid on the top, followed by cobalt blue, pale lilac, Prussian blue, and viridian green. What I'm using over here is a wool brush to just gently spread the paint and start from pale orchid on the top, followed by cobalt blue to make it like a nice little slope for the mountains. Gently blend it again. Usually start from like the lightest color on top and slowly move downwards to the darker colors. Right now, I'm gonna go to pale lilac, which is a bit of a purplish tint. This is for the second slope of the mountains. As of now, what I'm trying to do is just to get the shape of the slopes and the sequence of the colors to kind of like map out the painting. Then towards the front would be the darker colors, which would be Prussian blue and viridian green at the bottom to get this kind of harmony between the shades. This is actually one of my favorite combinations to get like a tealish color to mix the blue with the green. Now that the first layer is done and you have mapped out the colors, you can see visibly the slopes of the mountain and everything. I'm going to add the second layer. So start again from the top with pale orchid, the lightest color that is for the sky, and slowly work your way down to the top of the mountain with cobalt blue. I usually add a little bit of water to my acrylic paint so that it's easier to blend. And then I'm going to work another layer bottom with pale orchid, which is the purplish shade you see, and I'm going to smoothen out the paint and continue to blend. Again, add a little bit of water to smoothen out the process. So I'm adding a little bit more paint in between each of the colors so it gives a more stark contrast. After that, just add a little bit of titanium white to create a misty look. Right now I'm just trying to blend the white in between and just continue blending it, and also the top as well. Between the mountain and the sky, add more titanium white there. Once the top layers of the mountains are blended, we're going to work on the bottom one. Add more viridian green, and then what I usually like to do as a finishing touch is to add a cluster of wildflowers in the middle with bright colors to bring the focus into the foreground. This also helps to brighten up the piece and to give it a depth of perspective. So what I'm going to do is first use an angler brush. It will give you all these thin straight lines to draw out the stems. For the colors, I'm actually using olive green and ivory white to draw the leaves and for the stems. Because the background is a little bit muted in cool colors, what I usually like to do is to add a little bit of contrast by adding really bright colors for the flowers, just a subtle, simple one. So for the flowers, I'm actually using orange red, and I'm actually adding a bit of highlights with orange yellow so you can see that it's not just one-dimensional. Add a little bit of leaves, the same color as the stem, and this is it. The whole landscape is done. So this is actually my favorite part, peeling off the tape. So I hope you enjoyed this very simple tutorial. It takes only less than 5 minutes to do. Just pick up the paintbrush and go. This piece looks nice because it's of the muted colors in the background. At the end of the day, for landscape, sometimes you do not need much, but it's all about the harmony of colors. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching, and see you again soon. Bye!